In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Shopify store with Etsy using a simple app installation process. This can be incredibly beneficial for those of you looking to expand your market reach and streamline your sales processes between these two powerful e-commerce platforms. So let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward method together. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the Shopify platform. For those who may be unfamiliar, Shopify is a robust e-commerce solution that allows you to set up an online store with ease. If you're not yet logged in, take a moment to enter your account details. Once you're on the Shopify dashboard, you'll find various options and features tailored to help you manage your online business effectively. Now, the next step involves visiting the Shopify App Store. This is an extensive marketplace filled with numerous applications that can enhance your store's functionality. In the search bar of the Shopify App Store, type in Etsy Integration, DPL. This specific app is designed to seamlessly integrate your Shopify store with Etsy, allowing you to manage your products, orders, and inventory across both platforms efficiently. After you've located the Etsy Integration, DPL app, click on it to access its main page. Here, you'll find an overview of what the app offers, including user reviews and details on how it functions. Take a moment to glance over the app's features to better understand how it will benefit your store operations. Once you're satisfied and ready to proceed, simply click the Install button. The installation process typically takes just a few moments. During this time, the app will begin the integration process between your Shopify store and Etsy, aligning your data to ensure smooth operations. Congratulations! Once the installation has concluded, your Shopify store is now successfully integrated with Etsy. This integration means your product listings, inventory, and sales data are now synchronized between the two platforms. As a result, you'll be able to manage orders more efficiently, ensuring you never miss a sale, and inventory levels will be updated automatically to reflect sales on both platforms. By taking this step, you've simplified the way you manage your online business, potentially increasing your sales and bettering customer satisfaction by ensuring that your product availability is always current. If you encounter any challenges during the setup, most apps offer customer support or FAQs to guide you. Remember, staying organized and leveraging tools like this can significantly enhance your business operations and give you an edge in today's digital market. And there you have it. You've just learned how to integrate Shopify with Etsy using the Etsy Integration DPL app. I hope this guide was helpful and empowers you to optimize your online business endeavors. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks.